have with us Mr. K Mehra, Secretary PWD, Government of Madhya Pradesh, already with us. I request to come on stage and share his thoughts on planning, building, and maintaining deep fill infrastructure with a special focus on sustainable innovation policy. A huge round of applause for him, please.
Mr. Sobi Goswami, co-founder and group chief editor, APAC. Mr. Pankaj Bhutani, in the just left. Mr. Hardeep Singh Rai, CEO Thingas. Mr. Thakur, Mr. Lavania sir, just came. And other dignitaries, speakers, and participants of this Green Future Innovation Conclave. I am representing Public Works Department. So far in my 37 years of tenure with Government of MP at different levels, I have seen a gradual but constant shift towards greener technologies and practice in construction domain, not only at implementation level but also at policy level. As you all must be aware that Public Works Department develops road, bridges and buildings. These infrastructure projects involve a lot of excavation, mining, transportation and application of construction material through heavy machines. These construction activities adversely impact the environment. Infrastructure is critical for the growth of nation and economy, but it should not be on the cost of environment. Increasing environmental concerns of infrastructure projects now attracting the focus of policymakers. I would like to say that MPPWD is more concerned upon green building and technologies because it has more option to optimize energy, water and CO2 emissions as compared to road and bridges. We focused on reducing carbon footprints in new buildings constructed in last decade. These buildings consume less energy, water and natural resources as compared to conventional buildings. Considering the fact that lighting accounts up to 30% of energy used in buildings, office buildings, we aligned the structure with sun path to gain maximum advantage of sunlight. Window to wall ratio is planned to increase sunlight with optimal thermal load. Heating and cooling arrangements are most energy intensive feature for any building. We are addressing it by implementing HVAC, insulation, wall cladding, solar water heaters and provision for plantation areas. Heat reflective materials are also used on roof and sun facing exterior walls. We are also making provision for rainwater harvesting and sewage treatment plants. Treated water is used for plantation and toilet flush. This has significantly reduced water demand. At construction stage, we are promoting fly ash bricks, AAC blocks, locally available material and recycled material also. All the buildings constructed by PWD comply with National Building Code 2016 guidelines, which has number of provision for energy and water efficiency. With all of these efforts, the energy saving ranges from 20 to 30% and water savings around 30 to 50%. The benefits of green buildings include enhanced air quality, excellent daylighting, health and well-being of occupants, safety benefits and reduced CO2 emissions. Gradually, we are moving towards international practices for greener constructions. It is worth mentioning here that new building of Mantralaya is an example of green initiative taken by us, where energy consumption is optimized through building management system, dimmable lights, occupancy sensors, heat insulation, double glass windows and double walls, heat reflective paint on roof, fly ash bricks, EPC cement and recycled material has been used for construction. Building has provision for rainwater harvesting and double plumbing system for efficient use of water, where recycled water is used for landscaping and toilet flush as well. In this building, curing compounds has been used to reduce water demand for curing process. Similar efforts have been made in other buildings also. We also construct and maintain around 70,000 km of road network in Madhya Pradesh. Road construction produces a higher level of greenhouse gases by running fossil fuel in mining, transportation, paving works. Very soon, road sector is going to face challenges of sustainability due to environmental loss. We are very much concerned on it and taking new initiatives to optimize environmental impacts. At highway, all the highway projects are compelled to conduct environmental impact assessment at planning level. At externally added highways projects are adhered to environment safeguard policy. Environment and social monitoring reports are being prepared during different phases of construction. We have adopted zero tolerance policy for statutory complaints like pollution control board, permission for setting up quarries, pressure plants and vetting plants, environmental and forest clearances for tree cutting, sand mining and greenfield development. Roadside plantation is made compulsory on critical highways. We plant 10 trees for each tree cut for road construction. And contractors are also encouraged to use energy efficient construction tools and machines. Highway construction consumes fair amount of energy at time of earthwork, excavation of materials, preparing and paving bituminous layers. But recently, we have tested new technology to reduce carbon emission as related to bitumen application. As a replacement of bituminous layer, we are trying white topping, where 150 to 200 mm thick concrete is overlaid over existing bituminous surface. And we are also constructing road using full depth reclamation technique, that is FDR, where existing layers are mixed and reused as crushed material for a pavement. And this FDR technique saves time, money, materials and resources. And Sihor Shampur road having length of 24 km, we are constructing with this technique. And another road that is Tincha Fall Approach Road is being constructed with this FDR technique. We are planning to test warm mix asphalt, which work on lower temperature with less exposure to heat and fumes. Similarly, we will test biobinders materials as a replacement of petroleum-based asphalt. Biobinders are biodegradable and shows good thermal quality and stability. Apart from this, we are promoting use of recycled and locally available material for road constructions. We have made some strict provisions to ensure environmentally sound construction practices, which reduces dust, noise, smoke, oil leakage, and debris cleaning. Here, there is another phase of carbon emission related to road construction. Good quality roads allow vehicle to save fuel and reduce carbon emission. Thus, excessive carbon emission may be set off during design period of that road, which may be around 50 to 20 years for BT roads. Although we don't have complete study over it, but this fact may be considered up to some extent. Similarly, with the introduction of FASTag, electronic toll collection also saves fuel. We are also implementing electronic toll collection on all the toll plazas. At the end, I would like to say that there is still to do in terms of reduction of carbon footprints in construction and operation of infrastructure. PWD is committed to achieve it in coming years. Such events like Green Summit are certainly adding values in our efforts. With these remarks, I would like to thank the organizers of this event. You are not only creating awareness but stimulating us to do better by conducting such events. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri R. K Mehra, Secretary Public Works Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh, for giving some insights on what kind of work being done by PWD and also keeping in mind the focus of sustainability factor and environment-friendly initiatives being taken by PWD. Thank you so much. I request Shivani to hand over the plant to our esteemed speaker, Mr. R. K Mehra. A huge round of applause for him, please. Secretary PWD.